And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how you can round numbers. We'll directly print it out using document.write. Let us use 4.7. By default, we'll just get 4.7. We can use math.round and then put the 4.7 into regular brackets. And it's going to round it, in this case, to 5. So it does regular rounding. If I go to 4.4, it goes down to 4. So it rounds to the nearest full number. This also goes for negative numbers. Minus 4.4 is 4, minus 4.6 is minus 5. Let's go to 4.6 again, which gives us a 5 with math.round. And let's say we wanted to round it down despite it being 0.6. We'll just use math.floor. And this will always give you the lowest number. So even at 4.9, we will get a 4. And there's also something that makes it round up all the time. And this is the math.ceil. So 4.4 gives us a 5. Even 4.1 will give us a 5. And even if you make it 4 lots of zeros and then a 1, you would still get a 5. Finally, we also have a trunk. And this always gives you the integer part of your number. Let's make it 4.78. I round it. This makes it 5. But if I make it math.trunk, we will get a 4. So whatever number you've got here, you will always get only the integer part. So if I make that 4.12, we still get a 4. So this basically always rounds it down as well. To sum it up, we've got math.round, which does the rounding as you know it from school. It rounds it to the nearest full integer, full number. Then we have the math.ceil for rounding up, math.floor for rounding down, and the trunk for only returning the integer part. And this is how you can round numbers in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.